Dumela mogaetsho Dikgang Tsa Setwana e tla re diale. Tona ya Sepodisi Senzo Mchunu yo a emisitsweng mo tirong o lebane le ditatofatso tse dišwa morago ga gore mosupi E kgotsa yona witness E a bolelele komišene ya matlanka gore Mchunu ka boene o ne a leka go mo thapisa gore a bue maaka ka fa tlase ga maikano a ntsha rekhoto ya modumo jaaka bosupi. Komišene e ne ya tshameka rekhoto eo. Mosupi E, motlhankedi wa sephiri wa sepodisi, o ne a supa ka mosupologo gore Mchunu o ne a batla go dirisa bosupi go supa ka tsela e seng yone tlhogo ya Crime Intelligence Lieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo a tlhasela pelo ya thomo ya komišene ya go senola go tsenelela ga sepolotiki mo tsamaisanong ya botshiamisi. Rekhoto e tshwereng ka nako ya puisano e tlhamaletseng ya mogala e be ya Mchunu mo gare ga maiteko a go lega go senya tiro ya komišene.
Uzala ngiyabhala ngisefethi angikhe lokhuze nendlini. Ngibhale izinto ezu 1 2 3 4 ngibhale izinto ezu 5 mengizokuthatha ekuqaleni ngibhale from igama isibongo address lezinto eziphezulu paragraph 1 ngabhala
Hello.
Yes.
Mala ubhalile uqedile manje noma kwaqeda?
Angakaqedi ngithi bengifuna ukusilungisa sengibhalile kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi ngiqedile kodwa manje kufanele ngistype ngoba manje bengifuna ukuthi kodwa aqale uzwe ukuthi ngibhale kanjani.
WhatsApp la kule ndoda la lo suqedile singalo sikhuluma.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Witness E, are you able to identify for the record whose voices we hear on an extra WE6?
Chair, that was Minister Senzo Mchunu.
Talking to...
And he was talking to me because he wanted that statement so badly. So since he wasn't getting hold of me on WhatsApp, he decided to use a normal call. And if I can explain to the commissioners, I did not deliberately record the minister. I was not in a process of entrapments. WhatsApp. The Minister Mchunu told me in December 2024 that he doesn't want us to talk on a normal call because his phones might be monitored. He wants us to use a WhatsApp call because a WhatsApp call cannot be recorded. There's no option to record. So because he was desperate for this statement, he was then forced to call me on a normal call. But you could hear from how he speaks that he was not comfortable in talking more in a normal call. The reason why I'm explaining this is that I did not record all the other conversations that we had with the minister because we use WhatsApp calls, and if ever, according to my old Smolanyana knowledge, if ever I have to record someone and I use another device, I will be embarking in entrapments. And if I have to embark on entrapments, I have to follow certain laws. And then if I am an initiator of the call, I have to inform the other person that the call might be recorded because I am an initiator of the call. But if I'm a receiver of the call, I don't have to inform the other person what systems I have in my possession. So when the minister, this call was not initiated by myself, it was initiated by the minister. Unfortunately, the Truecaller app is set on default on my phone. So therefore, it automatically recorded the minister.
Okay.